What it do, what it done, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We Are Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, Zian. I'm your host P5, aka Phoenix the Fireboy, and this is another episode of Whatever the Fuck I Want to Talk About. And I just want to shout out to all my subscribers. Yo, subscribers, you guys have been the MVPs yet again. I love you guys, man. You've commented, you've engaged, you've liked, you've shared, you've yeah, I just want to thank you, man. I really do. I want to thank a lot of you people, you know, just for the energy you give me. And again, energy is everything, so the energy you guys give to me, I really embrace it, and I hope that I give you guys the same energy back. And you know, of course I respond to every single comment, even those who leave racist and sort of non good energy remarks on my page. Yeah, I respond, and then I block you and report you. So you know, because we're not going to do that. You're not going to come on this page and, you know, leave negative energy, because all the beautiful people that come and visit and watch and stay and leave beautiful comments, they're not going to stand for that, and neither am I. So yeah, keep that moving and keep it over there. We don't need it. But yeah, guys, my subscribers, like, you guys don't understand. I mean, those who was here in the early days, and I was talking about 100 subscribers, I'm almost at 1.5. 1,500, you say? Again, it means so much to me. I'm never going to take it for granted. I'm never going to stop doing subscriber shout outs. I'm never going to stop engaging with you guys. I'm never going to stop responding to every single comment. And yeah, I'm just going to keep showing you guys the love that you've shown me, and yeah, of course, hopefully showing you some nice pieces that you're into. Again, I don't show you the latest. I don't show you what's just dropped, and you guys still, you know, you stick with me, you watch what I drop, and you know, you're into the way I do things, and I appreciate that. Again, I don't have the biggest collection of anything. I'm not here to stunt on anybody. I just want to show stuff that I have. Do you know what I mean? It's an outlet, and you know, hopefully I can have a conversation or five with a few of you guys, and yeah, continue to just continue to have a great interaction with you guys. Next year I'm definitely going to bring more of the show to light. I wanted to do a bit more interviews this year, and I did do a couple interviews, but just because of editing and things like that, they weren't quite right. So I'm going to redo said interviews starting the new year, and I'm going to start bringing you some interviews that you guys will really enjoy. And I've got a couple things up my sleeve, and I'm going to make sure I put them into action. So guys, once again, I'm so grateful for your love. I'm grateful for your support. I'm grateful for your engagement. I'm grateful for the laughs and the jokes. And yeah, I'm just grateful to be able to do this. And yeah, 2023, I want to see a bit more from myself. I want to see a lot more engagement from you guys. So I'm going to make sure I provide the tools to do that. And yeah, let's get it. Of course, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me. You know, I've got 1.5 thousand followers on YouTube. I would like my Instagram to sort of follow the same, you know, so I can start sharing content with you via Instagram, not just via videos on YouTube. But guys, you know, I appreciate you guys, and yeah, I'm really grateful. So yeah, this has been another episode of Whatever the Fuck I Want to Talk About. I've been your host P5, aka P Grateful, and this has been Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zian, guys, stay dope, stay fly. As always, leave your comments down below, and yeah, I appreciate you a lot more than you know. And yeah, I'm gonna keep shining the light on you guys, and of course myself. Alright people, stay fly. Peace.